23rd of April. So we gap up because of Trump easing off on China and the threats, tariff threats, and also not firing Powell. Now, Bessent is due to speak at 9 a.m. East Central Time. So I'm looking to go long, and I'm looking to target this level here, which is the 330-day EM SMA, as well as a weekly fair value gap that occurred, I think, prior to from the Trump tariff announcements. So even though we've already gapped up by like over 2%, that's my bias. Okay, so we get to here. So I'm in around this level of the 8 EMA. Okay, we're pushing up. And then this crazy candle fucks me up. This candle happens yes, as soon as Powell starts speaking, Bessent starts speaking. And this just takes everyone out. It takes longs out, it takes shorts out. Look at those wicks. Insane. So I get stopped out there. I mean, it goes from plus 80 profit to minus 50. You know, I stop out from maybe minus 30. Okay, so after that, I go in again along here at this level. What is this level? Well, this is an intraday fair value gap. You can see how it's been broken here. We reached kind of almost the end of it. Plus, it's pre-market high, most importantly. So we get along here and we ride it all the way up to the 15-minute opening range breakout to the upside. Ideally, we should have sold here and waited for price action to confirm whether we're going to continue or not, but I sold around here instead. Because I was waiting to see what would happen. All right, so then I'm waiting to see what happens, and I decided to go long again at VWAP. Now, I probably should have waited for more confirmation than just simply we have reached VWAP, but I thought it was worth the risk because I'm still targeting that level to the upside. However, again, this crazy candle here takes me out as well. Again, taking both longs and shorts out with these crazy high wicks in split seconds. So I get stopped out like down here. Now, I probably should have stomached it a little better and held it, at least till it got back to break even, but ultimately I'm glad I saw giving what happened afterwards. Okay, so after the pre-market high failed to act as support, I should have been short here. This was a missed opportunity, big time. See how many times you've tested it? It failed here, so I should have been short. Instead, I waited until it reached this this daily fair value gap level, and then I went long, right around here. So really good positioning, and sold at the 200. So again, it was a good little scalp. Probably could have waited till this level up here, which was an intraday fair value gap, as well as the ORB on the downside. Now, what happens is we continue moving lower, and I kind of go to sleep at this stage. I take a rest. My brain is annoyed. I missed this great long, amazing long here. What is this? Well, okay, so this is not only the pre-market low, but also the perfect daily fair value gap midpoint. Incredible accuracy with these fair value gaps. But it was also exactly 534, which was an intraday GEX positioning. If we look at the GEX levels for the day, for today's expiry, 534 is a positive GEX. That's unbelievable. So that acts as resistance. That is a repellent. Plus, you won't believe this. Actually, no, that's it. I think that was something else, but this is from the highs to lows of the Trump announcement. You can see how it also is a level. But anyway, it's also interesting to note that the fair value gaps created at pre-market, these here, were all filled on this move down. These hadn't been filled yet, these ones here. So on this move down. So this was the shot of the day. Obviously, you missed that. Ride it all the way back up. And look at that candle. Look at that candle. That is a powerful, powerful candle. Non-stop buying. That's pure algos kicking in. That's pure money. Okay, so you're right. You could have rode that up to back up to VWAP or the red um the red ORB, or in fact this was also, check it out, this was also a big fair value gap range. See, it's just him trimmed it, and then that was another short opportunity. So huge miss there, huge miss there. Just can't see them in the moment. It's so hard to see them in the moment. It's so hard to see them in the moment. So hard to see them in the moment. Okay, so all right, so I also used the new feature I found in TraderTex, the 0DTE GEX sort by change, and was trying to target 538 around here. So just for a little short scalp. So it was around here exactly. Yeah. So buying here, targeting 538 and just a short little scalp. So that was a quick profitable move. And then there was a fair value gap here, and it just obliterated it. And when it does, it gets removed. The fair value gap gets removed. So unfortunately, my stop was too tight, and I missed out on this nice move up. But it's interesting too with this 0DTE GEX level. Okay, so finally wrapping up the day here. Around this level here, ADD was making new lows, but SPY was still far from a new low. So I thought SPY would catch up, and I went short here, around here. Um, I felt like I was chasing. I should have gone in, but he'd been in earlier, so I hated my entry, and that's why my stop was really tight, and I ended up stopping out. But it did in fact make new lows, just like I predicted. Um, I tried again here, again, but just got out too quick. Okay, so once we get to the pre-market low, I'm looking at, this bounced here before, thinking this is another opportunity for a long. This was such a strong level. Look at that bounce. Remember, this was not just pre-market low. This was also a daily fair value gap range as well as a positive GEX range. So I get in, again, not waiting for confirmation, get in too eagerly, get stopped out. Or actually for a loss. The thing is, when do you get in here? Look how messy this is. It's fucking disgusting. Let's say you get in here. Okay, you're up, you're up, you're up. I guess you would sell here, but then look, it crashes back down. I guess that's when you would enter again. Like Aeon, you know, the wicks are wicking below. This one did close below, and so did this one. So this is when you'd start to get worried. But then you get this VPA with high volume. So I missed this move up. This was just icky. I should have waited, been a bit more patient, and got a better entry. Got a better entry. Got a better entry. And that was the day. So the key miss was here. I was sleeping in bed. Here for a short. Here again for a long. But feeling good.